What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Sneakerbot Club, where we post live cops, tutorials, and reviews. Today's video is going to be a quick live cop of the Yeezy 350 Naturals on Yeezy Supply. For this release, I'm running Dashe on a server, and on my home PC, I'm running A&B and Splash Force. Unfortunately, Splash Force did not work at all on this release, so you're not going to be seeing it much in this video. And if you want to learn about my exact setup for Yeezy Supply, be sure to stick around until the end. Alright guys, just sit back and enjoy. Alright, now let's go over my exact setup that I use on Dashe for Yeezy Supply. Let's start with proxies. For proxies, I run a mixture of ISP proxies and residentials from Slash Proxies, Wrath Proxies, and Omni Proxies. Now, one tip that I have for you guys running residential proxies is make sure you filter out the bad proxies before you put them into your bot. Every time you generate a list of residential proxies, you're going to have some bad proxies. Do not want to run those because it just lowers your chances of copying. So I find the easiest way to filter those out is to use AYCD one-click. AYCD makes it really easy to delete the bad proxies, and they even let you delete slow proxies if you want. Now up next, let's go over the Captcha harvester. Dashe recommends using one 0.9 Gmail account for every 50 tasks that you have. Now I normally run around 250 to 300 tasks, so I have a total of 5 0.9 Gmail accounts in Dashe. Now all of these Gmail accounts I have constantly running in the AYCD one-click generator. Alright, now let's move on to creating the tasks. So Dashe makes it really easy to make hundreds of tasks in just a couple of clicks. So here's how I do it. First up, you want to select the Yeezy Supply store, enter the SKU of the shoe. Next up, you want to choose a proxy list, and then click on this full size run button. From here, you want to select the sizes that you want to run for. So if I was running for base sizes, I would choose 4 through 7. And for profiles, the fastest way to select them all is click on the first one, scroll down, hold shift, and click on the last one. That'll highlight all of your profiles, and now each time you click add tasks, it's going to create one task per profile. So in my experience, Yeezy Supply lets you check out with each credit card about 2 or 3 times. So my recommendation would be to run each profile at least 3 times. So you can enter 3 here, click on add tasks, and now you've just created 3 tasks per profile. Now during the drop, you do want to keep an eye on your Captcha solvers. You want to make sure that the little Captcha icon is constantly there. If it ever goes away for any reason, that means your Gmail account is probably temporarily banned, so you want to either log into a different Gmail account or paste in a new proxy. And that's pretty much it for my Dashe Yeezy Supply setup. If you have any questions at all, be sure to leave them down in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. If you're looking for proxies for any of the upcoming drops, be sure to check out the proxy sponsors that I have linked down below. Alright guys, catch you in the next one. Peace.